and welcome to this CoolLIFE tutorial. My name is Giulia Conforto, and today I'm excited to introduce our expert, Eric Wilczynski of URAC, who will be showcasing the calculation module demand-side management on the CoolLIFE tool. Over to you, Eric.
Hi, this is Eric Wilczynski from URAC Research. and In this video, I will be covering the CoolLIFE demand-side management calculation module. CoolLIFE demand-side management calculation module provides users with an impression of cooling demand response potential by matching cooling load with the energy supplied by a PV system. By utilizing pre-cooling strategies and the thermal properties of the region's building stock, the calculation module can provide users with an analysis of maximizing PV self-consumption using demand-side management strategies, where demand response is used to shift cooling demand to match PV supply. Currently, the calculation module runs at the net zero level, and for a common reference day in August 2020 to ensure a test run was successfully performed for each country. To use the calculation module, simply select a country from the tool mapping area. Open the list of calculation modules and select the demand-side management calculation module. After hitting run and waiting, the user will find three outputs: a baseline case that demonstrates a scenario without PV supply, which shows total cooling demand for the optimized period without the use of PV. There's also a case that shows cooling demand from non-PV supply where the PV is present, but cooling demand is not optimized to match PV supply. And finally, there's a scenario that shows cooling demand from non-PV supply, in which cooling demand is optimized to match with PV supply. Thank you for your attention and your interest in the CoolLIFE project.
And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to look in the description for the link to the CoolLIFE tool, our project website, the wiki, and the Knowledge Hub. Thank you for your attention.